Bugs don't wait for the next release, and with FlowMattic, neither do the fixes. The patcher ships small, official hotfixes straight to your dashboard. Here's how to find them, load them, and apply them in about 2 minutes. This is the FlowMattic dashboard, running version 7.1.0. Everything we need lives in the sidebar on the left. Scroll down to the System group, right below Settings, Meet the Patcher. See that amber dot with a number? That's FlowMattic telling you patches are waiting. Click it, and let's take a look. Welcome to the Patcher. The header confirms your version, and every patch here is built specifically for it. If the screen says All Caught Up, you can still check on demand. Click Check for Patches. FlowMattic asks the update server, and in a second, there they are. Here's how to read this screen. The progress bar tracks how many patches are applied. Patches apply in sequence. The next one unlocks only after the previous succeeds. Prefer manual control? The download icon grabs any patch as a zip for an FTP upload. Now the easy path, and the one we recommend, apply all patches. One click, and FlowMattic works through the queue for you, verifying and writing each patch in order automatically. Watch the applied group grow as each patch lands. Open Show Details, and every applied patch is listed with its number and title. And the moment one patch completes, the next one steps up, unlocked and ready. A few seconds later, all caught up. 5 of 5 applied. Your FlowMattic is fully patched, no full update needed. That's the Patcher, official fixes in order in one click. If this saved you time, subscribe for more FlowMattic guides, and happy automating!